Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back, and thank you all so much for being here. This morning, we have a bunch of exciting stock market news to cover, as well as notable earnings reports and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Let's jump right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are currently in the red right now. We currently have the Dow futures down 0.23%, the S&P 500 futures down 0.24%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.2%. JP Morgan has agreed to acquire a 75% stake in Volkswagen's payments platform. With this acquisition, JP Morgan aims to extend access to the wider car industry and expand its digital payment capabilities. Their head of wholesale payments said that we plan to build a Volkswagen Financial Services innovative groundwork on the existing platform and apply the global scale of our payments expertise to meet evolving customer expectations in the auto space and beyond. The JP Morgan stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 9%. AT&T is teaming up with OneWeb to enhance network connectivity in some hard-to-service areas across the U.S. The strategic partnership will allow the wireless giant to use satellite technology to enhance access for AT&T business customers. This new connectivity enhanced by satellite should allow AT&T to reach areas that existing broadband networks cannot reach. Additionally, the new technology should enable the company to connect businesses. The company will also target government customers and cell towers. AT&T will initially target customers in the northern U.S., Alaska, and places where connectivity has previously been a challenge. Analysts currently rate the T stock a hold with an average upside of 14%. Digital payment company Square recently announced the launch of Square Register up in Canada. The launch of this new product is aimed at allowing Canadian sellers to carry out transactions in a seamless and cashless manner. Square Register enables integrated omni-channel transactions and works effectively with Square's gamut of business tools, ensuring smooth operations. Square Register allows sellers to manage their in-person and online business from one place, ranging from inventory and point of sale to employee management and deliveries. The Square stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 23%. Online payments company PaySafe announced the expansion of their partnership with Betfred USA Sports. They are a subsidiary of the UK-based bookmaker Betfred Group. With the expansion of this alliance, Betfred USA Sports will be able to use Income Access, the marketing technology and services provider of PaySafe, to launch its multi-state affiliate program. PaySafe's Income Access will also aid Betfred USA Sports in promoting a comprehensive range of wagering options across American and international sports. PaySafe is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of nearly 60%. And Chevron USA has inked a strategic collaboration with Caterpillar to explore hydrogen as an alternative to traditional fuel. Additionally, Chevron USA and Caterpillar will explore the potential for hydrogen use in prime power. The two will also demonstrate the use of hydrogen to power locomotives and hydrogen fueling infrastructure. Work on the rail demonstration will begin across the U.S. immediately. The collaboration with Caterpillar is part of Chevron's push to pursue opportunities to create demand for hydrogen-powered products and the technologies needed for their use. Analysts rate the Chevron stock a moderate buy with an average upside of over 32%. Now, moving over to some notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from Academy Sports and the Lovesac Company. And in the after hours, we'll be hearing from Dave & Buster's, Affirm Holdings, and Zumiez. In the after hours yesterday, we heard from GameStop, whose shares are down after the company did report a narrower loss than the previous year, but a wider loss than expected by analysts. For the recent quarter, the company reported a net loss of $61.6 million or 85 cents per share. In the year prior period, they reported a loss of $111 million or $1.71 per share. On an adjusted basis, GameStop lost 76 cents per share. Analysts were expecting the company to lose 67 cents per share on revenue of $1.12 billion. Their sales did rise to $1.18 billion from $942 million the year earlier. The GameStop stock is not an analyst favorite as it is rated a moderate sell with an average downside of 55%. We also heard from Lululemon, whose earnings results came in ahead of analyst expectations. Their earnings per share came in at $1.65 adjusted versus the $1.19 expected. For revenue, they came in at $1.45 billion versus $1.34 billion expected. The company also offered a better-than-expected outlook for the third quarter and for fiscal 2021, expecting momentum to continue to build. Analysts rate the Lululemon stock a strong buy with an average upside of over 19%. Let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Torrid Holdings. Under the ticker CURV, they're up nearly 14%. Followed by Lululemon under LULU, up 13.5%, and VTEX under VTEX, up 9.5%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Couchbase. Under the ticker BASE, they're down over 15.5%, followed by Boston Beer under SAM, down 9%, and Cipher Mining under CIFR, down nearly 8%, following some big gains earlier this week. So that'll be everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you back here next time.